Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today, I'm going to be showing you how to get free skin cases in Rivals Roblox. You can get 20 level 3 skin cases for completely free using a working Roblox Rivals code. And I'm going to be running through this step, showing you exactly where to go to get your secret code, and it's going to allow you to get level 3 skin cases for free, and it's going to give you 20 of them. Before I show you guys how to do this, make sure you drop a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel, because I am planning on creating more Rivals Roblox tutorials. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the video and show you how to get skin cases for free. What you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone. Now, I know you probably play on your PC, but just use your mobile to get your Roblox Rivals code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in-game wherever you play. So go to www.coldcoupons.com. So you just got to type it exactly like this, guys, into your mobile phone internet browser. And Cold Coupons is a awesome codes website. They actually have not only Roblox games, they have video game, like console games, they have mobile games, and loads of codes, guys. So to speed up the process of finding the Rivals codes page, you're just going to use the search at the top of the screen and find this Rivals Roblox codes. There are 3 verified different codes, guys, and these are super popular. I actually found this method on another YouTube tutorial, but it didn't have many views, so I thought I'd recreate it and yeah, show my subscribers. So go ahead and scroll down. And what you're looking for, guys, is this one. This is a Roblox Rivals code to get 20 times skin case 3s. So, guys, this is literally going to save you so much money. And this entire process takes just a few minutes. So it is well worth it, considering you are going to get 20 level 3 skin cases, which is awesome. So, because these are limited codes, and considering how much skin cases costs with Robux, you do need to unlock your Rivals code. So to unlock your code, guys, click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see a new screen here that tells you what to do. Basically, guys, I'm going to skip through this. I did this earlier, and like I said, it does limit 1 code per person. You have to complete 2 of the tasks you see on this page. Now, don't panic, they are completely free, and they only take about 5 minutes each, guys. They're really easy things, like downloading mobile games and applications and playing them. So this one is a mobile app. I did this earlier. It says download, then complete level 13 to unlock your code. So it'll take you to the App Store, the Google Play Store, where you basically download that game and you have to play it until the level. So just follow the instructions for 2 of these, and if you do that, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your Roblox Rivals code will be revealed, and you redeem it in game. And in this case, it's going to give you 20 level 3 skin cases. So that is how to get free skin cases in Rivals working in 2026 using a code. So yeah, super easy, guys. Make sure you head on over to Cold Coupons. If you need any help, let me know, but it's super simple if you follow the instructions. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.